What's up guys, it's Stern Oak. Today we're unboxing the LG 32GN600-B. It's a 165 Hertz refresh rate monitor, 1 millisecond response time. It's a VA panel, it has AMD FreeSync. This is G-Sync compatible. It has 2 HDMI ports and 1 display port, 1440p. It has HDR10. It's 32 inches. It's huge guys, it's huge. Got this in from Walmart. It's a Black Friday sale. It usually retails for $350. I got it for $250, and I had a $40 gift card since I signed up for the Walmart credit card. It came out to around $220 for me after taxes. Here's the side. There. Oops. Here's the side. Here's the back. I'm basically going to use this for both my PS5 and PC since they're both capable of playing games at 120 Hertz refresh rate. So this is the monitor itself. Wow, it feels pretty thin guys. It doesn't feel too thick on the back, unlike the BenQ monitors that I've had in the past. Those monitors were pretty thick. More styrofoam, and you get the monitor stand, a CD, setup CD, the arm, a display port, not an HDMI port. I can use this display port for the PC and then just plug in my HDMI cable from the PS5. Whoa, that's a huge power brick guys, I'm not gonna lie. I don't know what that is. Okay, and you got 2 screws and some 2 little parts. I found the manual, it's right here. Has a bunch of pictures. Time to assemble it. Whew. So satisfying. So satisfying. Snaps on like that, that's cool. Oh. This thing is huge, bro. Oh my gosh. Let's go upstairs to my room and set it up. Okay guys, I turned on my computer. This is my sexy Razer keyboard by the way. It's the Black Widow V2 Tournament Edition. Anyway, let's get back into it. So, I'm in NVIDIA settings and let's see. So, yep, it's 1440p, that's a native resolution. So, there we go. The default, it set the default refresh rate, it was at 120 Hertz, but let's bump that up to 165, obviously. Apply that. Boom, there we go. And let's see. Set up G-Sync. Like I said, it doesn't say it's G-Sync compatible in the box, but people online said it was. NVIDIA G-Sync does work, guys. That's crazy because, so I guess it's not certified G-Sync compatible, but it works though. It does work. So if you guys don't know what it is, it increases the smoothness of the monitor in games and it reduces the latency. The monitor, unfortunately, you cannot rotate it or adjust it in any way. It's just this one downward facing position, but I guess for my desk setup, having it facing down like this is the most appropriate position. Alright guys, I'm playing Halo Infinite right now. Frame rate is sticking around 130 to 150 frames per second. Super smooth guys. It's very by the way man, Halo Infinite, love this game. It's a very smooth game. Little to no bugs. It's all around fun, man. I suck at this game. What is the headshot multiplier in this game? Because it feels kind of low. There we go, got him too. Feel like, yep, Yep, got him too. 3 kill streak, guys. Let's go. By the way, I am playing this on an RTX 2060. Like I said, it's hovering around 130 to 150 frames. I have resolution scaling set to 60%, and I have the graphic preset in medium with the texture zone high. So I think these settings are pretty good. Alright guys, I'm now connected to the PS5. Let's go play some Call of Duty Vanguard. Alright guys, so now on the video output information, even though it's a 1440p monitor, it's upscaled to 4K. It says 3840 by 2160, and it's at 60 Hz right now. That big monitor that I disassembled a while ago, that was the HP27Q. It's also a 1440p monitor, but there was a lot of screen tearing with that monitor. I'm gonna go activate the 120 Hz mode. Settings, graphics, 120 Hz refresh rate. Alright, it's already in. So it's already on. And let's go check. Let's check the video output information now. So 1920 by 1080, 120 Hz, guys. There's no 1440p support yet for PS5, but there's a lot of demand for it, so I have no doubt that Sony will support it in the future. Let's go, triple kill, let's go. Come on, man. Oh no. Oh no. Did he just spawn in front of me? Oh my god, bro. All in all, guys, this is a great monitor. Definitely recommend it. The only cons that I can say is that there's only one angle for the stand, but you can mount it to a VESA mount. It's perfect for PS5 and PC, like especially for the PS5 since it upscales from 1440p to 4K in 60 Hz mode. Love this monitor. See you guys in the next one. Make sure to subscribe for more videos like this. Bye bye, guys.